Hi everybody, it is Princess Ariel here. I just wanted to show you my cucumbers, my pepinos. So they're growing in my vertical garden. I'm very excited because I've got several jars of pickles now. They're sweet pickles, by the way, because my brine is very much sweet effect. And I'm going to add some hot pepper paste to my next jar, which should come out in the next couple of days because I think I've seen at least four more cucumbers that are making, so I'm very excited. But I wanted to show you the process that I go through from picking the cucumbers to washing the cucumbers to putting them in the brine and boiling them. And then once you boil them, you cut them up and you put them into their jars and pour the brine in there. Once you get the jars, you know, filled, close the lids. You're gonna boil the jar in warm hot water, and they do that just to seal it and kill any germs that might be existing on the outside of the jar. And once I'm done with that, you can put them away either in the cabinets, which I used to put mine in the cabinet, or if you open it and start eating on it, just go ahead and put it in the refrigerator. But yeah, that's from start to finish. And also, while I'm here with you guys, I do want to ask you to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Please follow me on all my social media platforms over at Linktree, and that's Ariel Emmy. I do appreciate the support and all the new people that are following me now. We are still boycotting and doing the blackout for the death of these young children that are getting taken away too soon from us and our communities and stuff. So I'm still on board, and I'm going to keep posting as I find more and more people out here that are not being very respectful to the community. I mean, either you're with us or you're not, and you just have to make up your mind, like, where you fall on the ball on that. But at the same time, we see what's happening in real time, and it's been going on for a very, very long time, and it's very exhausting. So, all your support is welcome here. Also, I did put up a fundraiser, a GoFundMe for myself and also for Stacy, the dog trainer. We are local artists here, and we are animal parents. So we're trying to support our children through this administration, which is making it incredibly difficult for middle class people to survive. So, if you guys want to make a donation, go to our GoFundMe links. They are up now for you guys to uh, go ahead and make a donation and help us out. If you guys know someone who can help, please go ahead and share the link to all our social platforms. If you do want to make donations of my Cash App, that's also over on my link tree. And if you want to purchase any of my books under Ariel Williams, I do have a variety of books which I'll attach as well. And if you find one of those are electronic books, by the way. I don't have anything in paperback at the moment until my sales go up. Once I get a decent amount of sales going, then I will put some of the books into paperback form. But for now, they're all up on lulubooks.com. Ariel Williams, check them out. I do have LGBTQ books as well as, children's books. So it's a mix of books and science fiction. So please support my channel. Like, share, subscribe, support. Please go over to Stacy's channel and support her as well. She is a dog trainer. If you need any help with dog training, I suggest to start following her. And please make a donation to help her and her fur babies out, and as well as mine. And I do appreciate anyone who comes to my channel and support my links by liking, sharing, subscribing, leaving a comment, and joining. So Thank you everyone for listening, and wait for the next video. I love you and goodbye.
Terms and Conditions of a King follows King, a young Arab-American man whose journey of self-discovery leads him through heartbreak, longing, and growth. After ending a promising but unsustainable relationship with Thomas, a man of status and high expectations, King finds himself grappling with loneliness and yearning for connection. His encounter with Malcolm, a charming but emotionally unavailable man, reveals the pitfalls of settling for less than what he deserves. Through it all, King's dreams, his growing independence, and his candid conversations with his confidant, Princess Ariel, guide him toward a powerful realization: self-worth cannot be compromised. Set against the backdrop of everyday struggles, budding careers, and the complexities of modern love, Terms and Conditions of a King is a story of resilience, introspection, and the courage to let go of what doesn't serve you. Ariel Williams weaves a tender and transformative
The
narrative.
Conditions of a King, a new beginning. Ariel, with her young daughter Jasmine, walked into the optical lens store one day to find King being verbally attacked by his coworkers. Witnessing this harsh treatment, Ariel immediately felt a deep sense of sympathy and concern for King. She stepped in, offering support, which forged a strong bond of friendship between them. Over time, as their friendship blossomed, they began to share their personal lives and struggles. Eventually, they both discovered something astonishing: they had been connected for much longer than either realized. They had been meeting in a shared dreamscape, where they had formed a deep, unspoken connection. Ariel had been there to comfort King in a difficult time, offering him advice, unaware that their paths would eventually cross in the waking world. This revelation deepened their bond, and they began to explore not only their growing friendship but also the strange, mystical
Duck
connection.
Walk by Ariel Williams. Henrietta Wilkins rushes to church one Sunday morning, accidentally leaving her gate open. Her duck, Duckwisha, seizes the chance to take her 5 ducklings to the local pond. Along the way, the ducklings fall into a manhole, causing a town-wide rescue effort. After a frantic search, Duckwisha finds her ducklings safely swimming in the pond, and the heartwarming story makes local news. Meanwhile, Henrietta realizes her mistake and panics, but the firemen reunite her with Duckwisha and her ducklings, bringing a happy ending to their adventure.
Get your digital copy today at lulubooks.com and experience the adventure in EPUB or PDF format. Make sure you have a compatible reader to dive into this unforgettable journey. Don't miss out, unlock the secrets, and let the story begin.
I told you. What did I tell you? Didn't I tell you? 'Cause I told you. And when did I tell you? A long time ago. And what did I say will happen when I told you? Exactly what just happened.